the knight who I find worthy of my grace.
You say that, but you do not know the crime he has committed.
What crime could sway my heart?
He killed a goddess. Look upon a fallen holy knight. He once made a pact with a goddess and cut her down with his own hand.
Defendant Xylo Forbods, captain of the Federated Kingdom's Fifth Order of the Holy Knights. You were seen on the night before the incident.
Worst of your crimes by far is your murder of the goddess Sinerva. Do you have any objections?
That one is true.
He killed his own pacted goddess?
He's lower than a beast! Goddess killer! He should be slain for what he's done! Too good for him!